Hi kids! Wow, I just experienced an exciting adventure. I was trapped in a magical maze, but guess what? I've managed to get out from there. It was like being expelled, but in the best way possible. That maze was super incredible. It had riddles everywhere. And to find the exit, I just solved questions about the object pronouns. Wait, do you remember? What are the object pronouns? No problem. I'll explain. First, we have me. For example, she gave the toy to me. Yes, for me. Okay? Then is you. For example, he helps you with your homework. Then we have him, like in this sentence. Tom is not in school. I saw him at the park. Can you see? Instead of saying Tom again, we say him. I saw him at the park. And then we have her, for instance. My sister loves cookies. My mom always bakes cookies for her. For who? For my sister. So instead of saying my sister, we just say her. For her. Then we also have us. My granddad and I love biking. My daddy got us a new bike. Got us a new bike. So we don't say my dad bought my granddad and I a bike. We just say us. Okay, it's the shortcut. And finally, them. My friends love playing soccer. I got them a new ball. I got them a new ball. I don't say I got my friends a new ball. I just say I got them a new ball. Remember? Okay, so are the words we use to not be repeating the names all the time. So, sorry, let's keep going with the story. I was doing my homework and suddenly magic happened. My assignments turned into an amazing maze and I found myself in the middle of it. Imagine that. The moment I stepped in, the exit door closed behind me. I was scared. And there were two paths in front of me. And a sentence appeared in the air. Marcos likes bananas. Give them to... And I had to choose the right object pronoun, him or her. Tough choice. I thought for a moment and I picked him and ta-da! Yes, her bunnies. The sentence now made sense. Marcos likes bananas. Give them to him because Marcos is a boy. And I continue my journey through the maze. As I kept walking, 3 doors appeared in front of me. I was super excited. There was a new sentence waiting. Do you want to listen? Okay. The sentence was, my grandparents know we love chocolate. That's why they made a cake for... Okay, and each door had a different pronoun. I hesitated for a time. I didn't know which one was the right one. And I decided to recall the list of the object pronouns. Look, we had them there. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them, and you again for the plural. So they is not in this list. So scratch that from the list. And let's just focus on the other two. Let's read the sentence using both options. My grandparents know we love chocolate. That's why they make a cake for them. Or that's why they make a cake for us. Come on, wait a second. I think it's us because they are making a cake for me, for my dad, for my sister. We is the personal pronoun, the hint that we need to look at. Okay, so I confidently chose us and the door got open. Great. Suddenly, I found myself facing 2 tunnels with different pronouns above. Me and you, and another sentence awaited me. I think you are stronger. So the bigger weight suits me better or suits you better? Wait, if you are stronger, the bigger weight suits you better because I am not that strong. Yes. I considered both options, but I decided that you was the right one. And of course, I was right. The tunnel got open and I was magically spelled out from the maze. I loved it. Okay, this homework is super crazy.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello again, welcome back. Okay, keep working and learning with us about the object pronouns. Remember the explanation, short words that we use to not be repeating the same subjects over and over. And this time, the instruction here is trace over the lighter words. So I am going to use the orange color, the orange marker, to trace over and practice the writing of these sentences, all right? So first personal pronoun, object pronouns are me. Give the cookie to me. Or give me the cookie, both are fine. Very good, okay? Then let's go and practice towards you. Give the toy to you. Very good. Now let's go for the third one. Him and her, boys and girls. Give the book to him, or give the book, the flower, to her. Very good. Well done. Then us. Okay, give the candies to us. Give the candies to us. And then this one here, give the stickers to you. Well done. And finally, give the pencils to them. Give the pencils to them. Well done. Great. Okay, now let's go and practice a little bit deeper doing this exercise. Choose the right pronouns. I love flowers. That's why she gives the flowers to I or to me? To me, right? So let's practice the writing. I love flowers. I love flowers. And that's why she gives the flowers to me. Well done. To me. Great. It's Paula's birthday. They made a cake for her or for she? For her. So wait, I'm going to, yes, I prefer to use the markers to make circles. For her. So let's write down, it's Paula's birthday. They made a cake for her. They made a cake for her. Great. Now let's keep going. I think Dad is with Sam. I can see he or I can see him. I can see him. Him is the object pronoun. Okay? So I can see him. Right? Let's just go for this. I think That is with Sam. I can see him. Well done. Great. Now let's go for the next one. We go to the cinema. Mom gave Mom gave us the tickets. Mom gave us. Yes, us is the object pronoun. And we, yes, us is talking about we, myself and my friends. So let's go. We go to the cinema. Mom gave us the tickets. Great. Very good. And then the other one. They don't have bananas. Let's buy some for they or for them? For them, right? Let's buy some for them. Well done. So now let's go here. They don't have bananas. Let's buy some for them. Amazing! Well done, guys.